how to make an angel cake. This is the recipe today. And you know what? It's not so complicated. So, let's start. For that you need 3 bowls. In the bowl number 1, the flour, the sugar and the salt. In the bowl number 2, we will have the 3 egg yolks, the oil and the milk. In the next step, use a sieve and put the bowl number 1 into the bowl number 2. You need a third bowl in which you put the egg whites and 30 grams of sugar. You start by whisking the egg whites and then little by little you will be adding the sugar until you get thick. In the last step, you pour the bowl number 3 into the mixture of bowl number 2 and number 1. And voila! The final mixture is ready. Put everything in the mold and bake it in a preheat oven at 150 degrees for about 1 hour or 1 hour and 10 minutes. For the chocolate coating, you just melt 300 grams of chocolate and 6 tablespoons of neutral oil. Bon appétit!